In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the text size in Gmail so you can read your emails more comfortably. Whether you find the default text size a bit too small and straining, or you're just looking for a more personalized email reading experience, this guide will walk you through the steps necessary to adjust the text size to meet your needs. Let's dive in. First, what you want to do is head over to your preferred web browser. Once there, type in www.google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Google homepage, your gateway to finding the precise solution to our task today. In the search bar, type "How to increase text size in Gmail to read emails," and then press enter. This search will bring up a list of guides and resources to help you find the solution. Look at the search results and focus on trusted sources that match our query. Select one that appears most comprehensive or fits your needs. It's always a good idea to go for results from reputable sources or guides that are widely recommended. Once you've picked a source, click on the link to open the web page. Now, here's where the magic happens. Follow the instructions provided on the web page you opened. Typically, you'll find yourself directed to adjust the settings either within your browser or directly through the Gmail interface. In Gmail, you can sometimes adjust text sizes through settings, but often it involves changing the settings in your web browser itself. If you're adjusting within the browser, go to the Settings or Preferences section. Depending upon your browser, you might find a section for zoom or font size. By increasing the zoom level to a percentage that works best for you, all web pages, including Gmail, will display larger text. Alternatively, look for an option to adjust the font size specifically if it's offered. Remember, each interface can be a bit unique, so take your time to explore the available options. Most modern browsers will offer a preview or allow you to see the changes immediately, so you can stop once you've found a size that's comfortable for you. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, take a moment to test it out back in Gmail. Open an email and see how the text appears. If it's not quite right, you can always go back and tweak the settings. The goal is to have a reading experience that's comfortable for you over long periods. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can make your email reading experience in Gmail much more pleasant. Being able to adjust the text size is a great way to ensure that you're not straining your eyes and can enjoy reading your messages without discomfort. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to share it with anyone who might benefit from this little yet impactful tip.